Hey, Jimmie here. We're at Angelina Forest. I'm here with NSPS TV podcast.
Oh, paranormal.
Paranormal. I get it all mixed up. And his team. There's 5 of us. And we're at Aldridge sawmill in the Angelina National Forest.
It's the first time I've ever been to a forest.
Really?
I mean, I've seen them back home, but I've never.
Yeah.
I never stopped to hang around in one.
Oh, we're watching out for Bigfoots. I am. They all laughed when I said it. But I know what's the here. Come up on a pig, watch it. They got fangs, I'll tear you up. They got those long tusks. Woo-wee.
Well, somebody's been doing some cutting.
Yeah, they come through here, the forestry guys.
Oh, first building of the day.
You see some?
Is that a building?
Yes, that is the building. Usually you can't see it. You have to get right up on it before you see it.
Oh, luckily I got good eyes.
Oh,
watch now.
yeah, twist my
So
ankle.
what's the history of this building?
Aldridge sawmill was built in late 1800s. And they actually, where that truck was parked, there used to be a railroad all the way through. And on the other side was housing for the mill workers.
Really?
And they had, oh, there's a tree down on our walkway. So looks like somebody's made another one here. See these vines? That's muscadine.
What is that?
Muscadine, you make wine out of it.
You make wine out of it?
Yeah, muscadine, right here. You ever heard of muscadine? Oh, it grows wild everywhere. But you can make wine out of it. You can eat them. Okay, here we are.
Wow.
This building has no roof, but the other 2 do. So.
Yeah, you can tell a lot of kids been back here.
Yeah. You can walk right up in that one.
Wow.
Your light's still good?
Yeah.
That's the main. That's one of the buildings. I was gonna hold the light so y'all could go up and look. It's solid. It's solid cement. Watch out. Usually you can build a fire there, but I wouldn't in this dry weather. You can go there and take a step. I've always been afraid of. There's a little.
This is a good place to drop it, I think. I bet you it was cold back there back in the day.
Can't you imagine?
Is that water flow?
No.
Or water?
No. I don't know what it is, but there's nothing in it now. I don't know if I can step up there with my. I'm gonna step back here and have a seat, and y'all look around. I am recording. It's Terry. Terry, say hey.
Hello, everybody.
See his shirt in his PS.
Okay.
And that's Nisi and Colleen. And over there is Justin. Worked with Justin and Terry in Mineola.
This is cool. Have you ever captured anything in here? Have you ever did a...
Yeah, we've gotten orbs in here, but the other building is the scariest building. When y'all are through here, we'll walk back there.
Why is it so scary?
It is really dark, and it has a roof, and it's all closed in. It's just really scary. We got some voice recordings back there. Listen to the quiet. Listen to Terry's tummy rumble. But out these doors is just a drop off about 6 feet.
I see that. That's pretty dangerous. Especially if you walk out there.
Mm-hmm.
It's a straight drop. How many people died at this sawmill?
Oh, no. Hundreds.
Wow.
There's no count. There is a little tiny cemetery of the man who owned this, Mr. Boykin, of his family over in the campgrounds. But it's like 6 tombstones, 6 or 8, and somebody puts flowers on them. They say it stays cleaned and...
So somebody actually takes care of them.
Yeah. I don't know if it's the forestry guys
Oh, it probably is.
or what, but it's taken care of. Imagine this quiet with people hooping all by yourself walking down a trail.
Ooh, I don't think I'll be walking.
That's what freaked me out, and I ran out of that one place.
You told me about that.
Yeah, I freaked myself out. Like to busted my knees getting out of there. Now tomorrow, y'all want to go to Saratoga? About what time?
We check out at 11.
Hmm?
I don't know.
There's a nice place to eat in Coops.
Okay.
If y'all want to go. It's called Mama Jack's. They're well known in the area. The evening, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday morning, they have a band that's works there constant. They're real good. 2 old country boys.
I'm taking that shot.
Let me know if I'm moving too much.
You know what does real good here? Digital cameras.
You hear that?
Is it talking?
Yeah.
Sound like a big owl.
Oh, I have that spirit talker on. I'm sorry.
Well, no, I heard it out there.
Oh, okay.
Would you mind turning the light away,
Huh?
Jimmy?
Huh?
Would you mind turning the light away?
Oh, I'm sorry. Did y'all hear talking?
No, I heard an owl.
Oh, an owl? Huh? Y'all watch those doors. It's just a drop off.
Yeah.
Where that truck was parked out when we drove past it,
Mm-hmm.
that was where the train ran up and down. And there was houses on the other side of the train tracks. The people who worked here lived here. And, there was a company store. Back when there was company stores, they didn't use money, they made their own.
Oh, wow.
You had to spend your paycheck only at the company store. That's the only place would take it. So if they was running to Jasper or Zavala, they would have no spending money, because company money don't spend at a store, only at their store. So they were paying them with their money
Right.
and working them on their job, and they had to spend their money at their store.
Well,
So,
that don't make any sense.
well,
because the
they,
money's no good.
they did a lot of it that back then. It was the regular way to do it in these country towns. They lived in the company houses. They had to spend their money at the company store. No money ever left the boss man's hands. And on up the trail, I was telling Terry about it, it's through the woods, there is another lake. There's actually two small lakes. But the train caboose somehow ended up in the lake.
Oh, wow, really?
So, and from what my oldest sister says, they never got it out. Because that's how long this place, they've been coming in here. My family's been coming here long. So, and my sister's 16 years older than me.
Did y'all hear that laughing?
So she's in her
I heard
70s now.
Okay. I
Is
heard
somebody here?
that. I heard laughing.
Well, we did see that truck. Y'all wanna move to the next building?
No. Are we voting?
Hmm?
Are we voting? To go?
So that building right there?
Yeah, I mean, I'm just saying, like, let's stay here for a little bit.
Y'all just tell me when you're ready to go.
Alright. Terry, can you look away from the camera for us?
Sorry, sir.
Thank you.
I'm sweating.
I heard it.
No.
I heard something too. That sounded like an owl.
I was trying to see it. I seen something move out of that. There's like a doorway.
You think there's somebody over there? Did you see a light?
Something just moved like that and back in, so I kept looking
Well,
to
I
see
know
if I
that
see-
building, you can see the shadows. It's less light in there than it is in here.
This is from,
Didn't say anything? No, not yet.
Anybody have the EMF out? Terry, you have the EMF out?
Mm-hmm.
Y'all get some, you'll get some bleeps in the next building. What is that? What is on? My SB7 is on. I didn't cut it on.
yeah.
And there's no electricity for 2.5 miles. So. I'm not gonna hit your light behind. Ah!
Alright.
Up in here. Up in here. Get out of here. Oh, I got all 4.
She's over here. She's filming.
Hmm?
They're calling for you for something. I don't know.
Y'all see movement? My EMF is going off. The Aldridge sawmill, Angelina National Forest. Look at that go. Woo-wee. EMF picks up magnetic fields, and they see spirits have magnetic fields. Wow, it's still going. Y'all notice there's no spider webs. Wonder why.
Not yet.
That light up there is one of the other team members shining out the window holes of this old building. Look at this. Wow. Hello? There's something moving over there. If you're a person, hello? If it was somebody, it looks like they would say something. We're videoing over here. We don't mean to interrupt anybody's visitation out here. See, right over in that door frame, there was something moving around. Like a person standing there and turning around and stuff. Say nothing now. Tall building. 1, 2, looks like 3 stories. Look right there. That's into another building. There's a light in there.